Culprit. A person responsible for a crime or wrongdoing. When something goes wrong, you ask, who's the culprit? It's the one who caused the problem, made the mess, or broke the rule. Synonyms: lawbreaker, wrongdoer. The police finally caught the culprit behind the robbery. Dawdle. To waste time or move slowly. When you dawdle, you delay doing something important. Instead of cleaning your room, you play around. That's dawdling. Synonyms: delay, loiter, dilly-dally. Antonyms: hurry, hasten. Stop dawdling and finish your homework before dinner. Expend. To spend or use up resources like money, energy, or time. If you expend too much energy early, you might burn out fast. Synonyms: utilize, consume, disperse. Antonyms: save, hoard. We had to expend all our savings to repair the roof after the storm. Gullible. Someone who is easily fooled or tricked. If you believe every prank or fall for every scam, you might be a little gullible. Synonyms: trusting, naive, credulous. Antonyms: suspicious, skeptical. Scammers often target gullible people online. Immerse. To dip deeply into a liquid or to become fully involved in something. You can immerse a sponge in water or immerse yourself in a good book. Synonyms: dunk, engross. Antonyms: dredge up, pull out. She immersed herself in studying and forgot the time. Inflammatory. Causing strong emotions like anger or unrest. It's often used to describe speech, writing, or actions that stir up trouble. Synonyms: provoking, incendiary, provocative. Antonyms: soothing, lulling, quieting. His inflammatory comments led to protests. Persevere. To keep going even when it's tough. It's about not giving up, even if the road is long or the goal is far away. Synonyms: plug away, pursue, stick to it. Antonyms: give up, quit, throw in the towel. Despite the failures, she persevered and eventually succeeded. Quash. To completely crush or put down. It can mean ending a rumor, a rebellion, or a bad habit. Synonym: suppress. Antonyms: start, ignite, encourage. The judge quashed the lawsuit due to lack of evidence. Testimonial. A written or spoken statement praising something or someone. You'll often hear testimonials in ads or at retirement parties. Synonyms: tribute, statement, memorial, evidence. Her testimonial about the product convinced many people to buy it. Writhe. To twist or squirm in pain or struggle. If someone is in severe pain, they might writhe on the ground. Synonyms: twist, squirm, thrash about. The injured player writhed in pain until help arrived.